Welcome to Pinvest TV, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive into latest property news from Indian market. In Q3 2024, India's office space market led the Asia-Pacific region, capturing over 70% of the demand compared to China's 17%, as reported by Colliers India. India saw 17.3 million square feet of office space leasing, with Bengaluru and Hyderabad contributing significantly, accounting for 64% of the demand for high-quality grade office space. Arpit Mehrotra, Managing Director of Office Services at Colliers India, noted that the increased demand for premium office spaces has pushed up rents in major Indian markets, with annual rental growth reaching up to 10%. He added that with India's office sector gaining momentum, the market is entering an expansionary phase, setting the stage for further rental growth. Colliers projects that the Asia-Pacific office market will continue its upward trend through 2025, with a year-on-year demand increase of 10.7% in major markets, totaling 23.7 million square feet for the recent quarter. India, along with New Zealand and Singapore, saw particularly strong office leasing demand, each achieving annual growth above 30%. According to Jaggi Marwaha, CEO of Prestige Group Office, this shift in office market dynamics reflects the substantial capital investment needs of multinational companies in major global office hubs. India is expected to close 2024 with an uptake of 54 to 64 million square feet of grade office space, underscoring its position as a leader in the Asia-Pacific commercial real estate landscape. New office completions in India during Q3 2024 amounted to 14.4 million square feet, helping to balance supply and demand and maintain a stable vacancy rate around 17%. Shivam Agrawal, Vice President of Strategic Growth at Sattva Group, attributed India's appeal to its rapid digital growth and strong focus on upskilling, with cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune, and Chennai offering infrastructure suited to global companies' evolving needs. While India's supply pipeline aligns with demand, new office completions across the broader APEC region fell by 9.8% in Q3 2024. Some countries, including Hong Kong, South Korea, New Zealand, the Philippines, and Singapore, saw minimal new office space completions. Nonetheless, Colliers anticipates that overall office supply in APEC will increase in the coming quarters as major projects reach completion. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.